How can you get the most out of a PTM? How can you make the PTMs work for you? So, if you are a parent, you can go there with an open mind. Don't hope that your child has met all your expectations. But if the teacher shares his report, don't get worked up by it. Don't feel let down, and definitely don't pass on that anxiety to the child. Believe me, teachers are not know-it-all, and they definitely are not the vidhata of the child's destiny. Except what is, but remember, the child is more than that. Number 2, as a teacher, you can definitely share strengths of the child. Every child has some strengths. Find them, know about them, and share them with the parent. Listening to one's child being praised is music to a parent's ears. Nobody wants to hear just somebody who's cribbing. And number 3, if you are a student, be a part of the PTM and take feedback. This is your time to rise up, to take charge. This discussion is all about you. Make sure you're learning from it. Ask questions and grow better. At the end of the day, this is about you. So, that is me, the MasterNi, sharing my math on what PTMs should be. What is yours? Would love to know about it. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and Instagram, Musings of a MasterNi. Thank you so much.